Everybody can hear me okay? Okay, I've been using this skid steer out here ever since I started working on getting the tail set up. And it's been a wonderful machine. It's got a couple of things wrong with it. We'll say up front what they are. One is the lever down here won't stay up when you try to change the bucket or whatnot. So that's why these little, that's why everybody needs one of these. Put one on each side and hold it up. I double change the bucket for myself. Little weak on that. Has a hydraulic leak on it. Not very bad, but I don't know where it's coming from. I looked, I couldn't find it. But it does have a small hydraulic leak. Gas gauge, fuel gauge don't work. Other than that, good skid steer. It is an awesome machine. It's got the handles like this that you go up and down with. Wonderful machine. Great, really good. I wouldn't be afraid of it myself. But got some bolt tires on it, but I like it. If you're working in your grass or somebody's yard, don't tear up the yard and stuff, so it's really nice for that, for the yard work. So there is, I'll run it, just demonstrate a little bit here.
Move the handle.
Got a kill switch on it, I keep forgetting about it. Got a kill switch on it. There you go, guys. Nice skid steer. Anybody got any questions on it before I sell it?
Are you selling with the bucket, or how are you selling?
We're going to sell what?
You selling with the bucket, or
we're selling it with the bucket.
Okay.
We're going to sell that separate, and the tires go separate as well.
Okay.
We're doing the skid steer, everything in it.
Okay.
Everything in it. So what do you want? What do you tell me? I don't put in money right there. Give me 10,000, put her in. Give me 10,000 to go. Put her in now, put her in. 5,000, help me. Give me 5,000 there. Put her 5,000 there. 5,000, 2,000, 3,000, 3,000, put her in 3,000. You get 4,000, put her in 4,000. Back to 5. I mean, that's 5,000, put her in now. $6,000 bid. 7,000, you can have that. 8,000 bid. 8,500. 8,500, 85, 85, 8,600. 86 to bid. 8,600. I get 85, 86 to bid. 86 to bid. 86 to bid. 86 to bid. 8,600. I get 85, 86, one in there. 8,600. 85. $600 bid, like 8,500, 8,600. And now, like 8,000 there, now, 8,500, 8,600, $8,000 bid, $8,500, $600. Guys, a lot better machine than that. I get 8,500, $8,600 bid. I get 8,500 now, 8,600 bid, 8,600, 8,600 bid, 8,500 now, 8,600. 8,600, 86 to bid, 8,500, 86 to bid, 86 to bid, 86 to bid, $8,600, $8,600, 8,500, 8,600 bid, 86 to bid, now 86 to bid, now 8,600 bid, 8,600 now 8,600, you bidding? 8,600, 8,600 now 86 to bid, now 86 now 8,600 bid, 8,500, 86 to bid, now 8,600 bid, 86 to 80 now 86 to bid, now 800 now 8,600 now 8,600, 86 to bid, 8,600 bid, $8,500 bid, and I sold it right there for $8,500. Number we're making for the pack. Number 280 to bid, or 280. Now we're going to sell the forks here. You'll give me 500 and put them in. Now 500. I know, give me 500, 500, 500, 500, 300. I now 200, 300. I get 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. I now 5. I now 600. I now 600. Now 6 back in. Now 600. I now 700. I got 6 now 700. Now say 700. I now 650. Yeah. I now 650. I now 650. I got 650 right here. 650 right here. 650 right here. 650. I got 650 right here. 650 right here. 650. $600 bid same way. 280 is the bidder number. I now the tires back here. All right, you can put a make mine on for money. Give me $100 starter. Give me $100 bid. Go $150. And now we're buying all four there now. We're going to have 50 old water, light over there. And now we're going to right here. Now we're going to be $50 in form. 50 bid now 50. Now 50. And now $50. And now we're going to $50. Full thing, $10 bid. We're going to start the John Deere here, John Deere A. The buyer will get the books. You want? Okay. All right. All right, there, guys. John Deere, hey, 1939. Is that right? 1939. We even have a book on it. Here we go. All right, here, give me top 2,500. You give me 2,500, 25, 2,500 a bid. You give me 2,500, 2,500, you can put that $1,000 bill and starter. You give me $1,000 bid, $1,000 bid, $1,000 bid, $1,000 where, $1,000 bid, 500. And now $600 bid. I got 500 now, 600 now, 600 now, 600 now, 600, 600 now, 700, 7 gonna be, now 800. Get a beat, now 800, get a beat, now 800, get a beat, 900 bid, 900 now, $1,000 bid. Go 1,000 bid, 8,000 bid, 8,000 bid, 8,000, 1,100, 11, 1050. I now 1050 got $1,000 bid. I now 1050 there. I now 1050 gotta be 1050 gotta be 1050 gotta be 1050 gotta be 1050 when at 1050. I got $1,000 bid 1050 there now put it 1050 there 1050 bid 1050 right there 1050 y'all win y'all done at 1050. And I sold it right there at $1,000 bid number 257 is the bidder. There's your book. There's your keys. Bucket goes with the Massey.
Oh, it goes with.
The bucket goes with the Massey. I'm gonna sew them together.
Okay, they're sewing the tractor right now.
You gonna start her up for me?
Somebody bought the wheel weight from Matt. You can get the tractor now.
You what?
I said somebody already bought the wheel weight, but now you can match it.
Turn the key off. All right, guys, I got nervous this last week of the sale, and I didn't know that the farmer was going to the beans off and off. So I took this tractor with a bush hog, and I mowed out that part of that field back there, so I gave these guys some parking. I don't think anybody parked back there, but I used the tractor myself. This tractor is a good running machine. Didn't have any problem mowing. It just kept right up with it. You can go out there and look at that field back behind the barn. It did a great job with it. Just a good running tractor, guys. There's nothing. I don't know anything wrong with it. I mean, I'm not an expert on tractors, but this tractor had a lot of power behind it when I was pulling that big bush hog back there in that field. You can see how tall that grass is back there. It did a great job mowing. So what do you give on this one here, guys? What do you tell me? Right there on that Massey Harris there, number 44. What do you give on about $3,000 bill? Put it in $3,000 bid. Put it in $3,000 there. Put it in $3,000 in $3,000. Go $2,000. You give me $2,000. Put it in there. $2,000. Then say $2,000. Go $2,000. Give me $1,000 bid and starter. Give me $1,000. Put it in. $500. $600. And now put it in $5 now to get bid. Now $600 bid. Now $600. I got $5 now. $600 now. $7 to bid. Now $7 go $800. Gonna meet Dean. Gonna meet Dean. Now $800. $800 of it. Gonna meet Dean. $800. $900 bid. Now $1,000. And now put $1,000 bid. Now 1,000, 1,000, now 1,050. Now 1,000 here, 1,000 right here, 1,000 quarter help ya. 1,000 quarter there, 1,000 quarter there, 1,000 quarter been 6,000 quarter been 1,000 quarter. I got 1,000 been 7 quarter now quarter quarter got $1,025. $1,000 bidding 25 bidding 25 here now quarter been 25 been $1,000 bidding 25. Y'all and y'all done. $1,025. And I floated right there for $1,000 bid number 257 is a bidder. A bucket went with it. Here we go on the bush hog here. And the mower, the rotary mower. Well, I don't know if it's a bush hog brand name or not, but right there you're buying this rotary mower. On the rotary mower there, right here. What do you say about her there? 500. Who give me 5 to bid now? 500.
Hey, Rick.
500 bid now.
Rick, it is a bush hog.
Do what?
It is a bush hog.
It is a bush hog. It is a bush hog. Okay, guys, bush hog, rotary mower, pull type mower. There, got the high left and all there. Again, I mowed with this mower back here in the backyard with this 44, and I did a wonderful job mowing. Here we go, right here, 500, 500, 500 now, 500, 500 now, 500, 500 now, 500. We give me 500, 200 starter. We give me 200, 200 now, 200 now, 2 there, 100, 200. I got 1 now, 2 now, 3 now, 250, help ya. Now 300, now 350, 350 right there, 3 1/4, 3 1/4, 1 and 3 1/4. Now 3 1/4 there, 300 now, 3 1/4 Jason, 1 and 3 1/4. Now 3 1/4, now 3 1/4 there, 3 1/4, 3 1/4 right there, 3 1/4, 3 1/4, 3 1/2. 350, 75, 375, 400 on a bid, 4 1/4. And now 4 1/4 there, 4 1/4, 4 1/2, 450. And now 450 now, 75, 75 now, 500. And now 500 bid, 500 now, 5 back to you, 500. 5 to bid now, 500 now, 5 to bid, 500 now, 500. Do it again, right there, 500, 5 1/4. And now 5 1/4 now, yes, better than pushing. And now 5 1/4 there, 5 1/4 there, 5 1/4 right there. Now you're going to be pushing, I'm telling you, you're going to be pushing. And now 5 1/4 right there, 5 1/4. I got 500 now, 5 1/4 there, 5 1/4 there, 5 1/4 right here, 5 1/4 there, 5 1/4 bid, 5 1/4, 5 1/4 to bid. 500 one back in one more time, only $25. And now 5 1/4 there, 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 5 1/4. So doing right there, $500. Number 258 is the bidder. 258 the bidder. There on the Chevy here, guys, 1994, I believe it is. 250 3/4 ton. Got the 6.0 Vortex in here, guys. Nice looking, nice truck here, nice running truck. It's not so nice looking. You can see the body for yourself. It's got some rust on it, but it is a good running truck. I pulled it in and out every day that I came in here. We parked up there at that farm. Every day we came in here, we backed it out and we put it back in. And I've never had any problem starting this truck. And everything seems to work. The air conditioning is cold. I think it's really a good running truck. Got a good bed on it. Their doors both open. Windows all work. What's that? 2004, got the Vortex V6 in it. Good cold engine, cold air conditioning, good running engine right there, guys, when you get on her. It ships okay, what I've seen. I haven't seen any problems with it. I don't know, it is old, it is 20 years old, and it's a good work truck. So what do you give on her there, guys? You tell me, you give me about $5,000 bill. Put them in $5,000 bid, put them in $5,000, $4,000, put her in. You give me $4,000 bid, $4,000 bid, $4,000, $3,000, help me. Now $3,000 bid, put them $3,000, $2,000. You give me 2, put her in there, $2,000 at $2,500. 25, we put it on, you put 500, put 2,500 bid. You give me 2,500, got 2,000 there, 2,500. 25, we put it 25 there, 25, you put it on 25, now 25, 2,100. I got 21, now 22, and now 22, 23, 24, 25, 2,600, 2,700, 2,800, 2,900, and now 20, 50, help ya. And now 20, right there, 20, 50 right there, 20, 50. I got 2,800, that's been now 20, 50 right there, 20, 50, 20, 50, been 20, 50. I got 2,800, that's been 20, you say here, 2850, 29, 2900, now 3000, 2950, 2950, 2950, 2900, 2950. I got 2950 right there, 2950 right there, 2950, 2950, 2900, now 2950 right there, 2950 right there, 2950, 28950, y'all in, y'all done at $2,950 bid. One more time, 2950 to bid, it's only $50. 2950 right there, 2950 could be 2950, could be 2950, could be 2950, that's 2950, could be 2950. Y'all in? And I sold it right there for $2,900. $2,900 bid. They're never sell a Canoe. Sell a Canoe. They're gonna sell a Canoe. All you need now is a little bit of water. Yeah. Here we go. I just got the paddles going there, guys. We'll give on her. How about 300? Who give me 300 now, put about 300 now, put about 3 now, 300 now, put about 300 now, 300 now. And he told me it's got airbags in it. So this one here has got airbags in the front and the back. So if you would happen to flip it, it would stay afloat. So, but nice built canoe, guys. We 300, put about 300 bin now, 300, put about 300 bin now, 300, $200. Who give me 200 now, put about 200 now, put about 200 now, put about 200 now, 200 now, put about 200 bin starter.
The Grumman, good name.
What'd you say? What'd you say?
I said it's a Grumman.
Yeah, it is.
It's a good name.
Good name, though. I didn't put it on the Grumman there, put it on my 100 bill. Go $100 bid. Go $100 bid now, 100 bid. Go 100, who made $50 starter.
How much?
I now
25 you got. You got 25.
25, 35. I got 25,
Yep.
35, 45,
Yep.
45, 45, 55,
Yep.
55, 65, 65, 65,
Yep.
75, 75, 85, 85, 85, 80. I got 75, gonna be 80. Now that's gonna be 80. I got
Bid on the canoe.
now that's gonna be now that's gonna be bid. 75, gonna be now that's gonna be now that's gonna be bid. 75,
Yep.
gonna be now that's gonna be 80,
Yep.
85, 90, 95 now, 100 on the bid. I got 95 now, 195 now, 195 now, 195 now, 195 now, 195, 100. 95, 195 now, 195 now, 195, 195 now, 195, $100 bid. $100 bid, $100 bid, right there. Went back in 100. $100 bid. Sold them for $95. Number 258 the bidder. 258 the bidder. Now the trailer. I hear about 6.5 feet wide by about 20 feet long. I hear money. Here we go, guys. I'm out there, $2,000. So you get $2,000 put her in. $2,000 bid. $2,000 bid. Put $2,000 there. Put $2,000 bid. Go $1,000 bid. You give me $1,000. Put her in. You give me $1,000. Put her in. $8,000. Put her in. $8,000. Put her in. $8,000. Put her in. $500. You give me $500. Put her in there. $500. Put her in. $500. $200. I now put her in. $200 now. Put her in. $200 now. $300 bid. I got $200 now. $300 now. $300 now. $300 now. $250. Help ya. I got $200 now. $250 right there. $250 right there. $250. I got $200 now. $250 right there. $250 right there. $250 bid. $250. I got $250 right there. $250 right there. $250. Buying a trailer, guys. $250 bid.
Steel there.
$250 now. $250 there. $250. Where you at?
No, I said there's a lot of steel there.
Yeah. Go ahead, scrap out for that. I got 200, 250. I now 250, 2 1/4, up yet. 2 1/4 there, 2 1/4 the bid, 2 1/4 the bid, 2 1/4 there, 2 1/4 bid, 2 1/4 there, 2 1/4 bid, 2 1/4 here, 2 1/4 here, 2 1/4 here, 2 1/4 here, 2 1/4. 2 1/4 the bid, 2 1/4 here, 2 1/4 bid here, 2 1/4 bid here, 2 1/4 there, 2 1/4 bid, 2 1/4 bid, 2 1/4. Both did $200. When I came out here, this mower had some bad bearings on the loading deck, and it had a bad belt on it. So I took it in and had it fixed for him. It's got new bearings, all new bearings on deck. Got new belts. Good running machine. When I got it back, I had it on my trailer. When I got back to my place, I mowed my lane with it, back to my woods, and it's a good running machine. Alright guys, nice John Deere 757 zero turn, and it's got the ZTrack. It's got the 25 horsepower V-twin engine on it, running good all the way, guys. I don't see a thing there. We're gonna say we put new bell on it, new pulleys, made it so it done for you. So right there, you tell me when you get one put them in, boys, right there, put it around $4,000, put it in, $4,000 bid. You beat $4,000, put it in there, $4,000, go $4,000, put it in, put it down to $1,000, $2,000, put it in $2,000 bid. $1,000 give me $2,000, $2,000 give me $1,500, $15 if it never $1,515. I got $1,000 of them, $15, $15, I got $1,000 of them, $15. I tell you this, I put $800, almost $850 from belts and pulleys that need to be on it. I know, right there, you got $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, go $500, $1,500. I got $1,000, $1,100 bid, $1,100. I got $1,000, go $11 say $11 now, $11 now, $11 now, $11 go $11 now, say $11, $12, $12, $13, $14, $14, $15, $15, $16, $17, $17. I got I need to talk to you for a minute when I'm done here. I got 15, I got 16, all done. $1,650 bid. Can't believe that. $1,650 bid. Sold to him $1,600. Number 281 is the bidder. 281.